Thank you, Manasa. You will have to pardon me for not switching on the video because I seem to be having trouble with the internet connectivity. So I will go on audio. Is that okay with you?
Fine, sir. Perfect. No
Yeah.
issues. Thank you.
Sorry about that again. Captain Sahana and Wisdom, thank you so much for honoring me and inviting me to this occasion. I don't know whether I'm qualified enough to talk in front of so many stalwarts who spoke so well about this particular book. Uh, I would like to keep it as brief as possible and tell you all about what I actually uh, understood or felt about this book. When I first got it and when I went through the whole book, it is a wonderful book. Somewhere it is captured the spirit of Mr. Siddhartha, uh, and the storyline goes so realistic that Captain Sahana, despite not working under him or not knowing him personally, like Shankar mentioned, I do not know how she managed to capture so many characteristics of Mr. Siddhartha in this book. It is a phenomenal book, very simple to read, and the storyline goes so beautifully that once you take up the book in your hand, you will complete it and then only you'll drop the book. It is so good. Uh, I worked for Mr. Siddhartha for 20 years, out of which about 11 years I was reporting into him directly. Um, there is no book can justify what he has done uh, to this society, because if somebody has to write about uh, what actually Mr. Siddhartha has done, one or two books are not enough. It has to be probably 10 or 15 different volumes of books, because the kind of the vastness, the width and the depth of subjects he was involved in, it's just not coffee. It could be technology, it could be logistics, or it could be anything related to the social work, be it education sector. Everywhere he was involved, but he ensured that the larger society really doesn't get to know about what all contributions he was doing. So there's so much more one can write. But coming back to this book, despite taking him as the inspiration, or as a role model, to write a storyline, Captain Sahana and Wisdom have uh, written the story or a fiction in such a beautiful way that it almost looks real. And uh, it is, like I said, it is a very, very simple book. When I first got the book in my hand, I was pretty reluctant. I had this brazenness that I know my boss better than anyone else, because my assumption was that this book probably is a lot about Mr. Siddhartha because there was a mention of him. But it took me like a couple of days to actually open the book and then start reading. When I started reading, I realized that this is something completely different. It gives a completely different perspective to I should talk, all the earlier speakers have spoken more about the quality of the book and the characteristics of the book or how they have written it. But I should talk from an entrepreneurial perspective, is what I felt now. um, Having worked for an entrepreneur for 20 years, and now being an entrepreneur myself, I think this book means a lot to every entrepreneur. Captain Sahana, when you're promoting this book, because like Mr. Pillai said in the beginning, that book writing is one part, but selling is another part. So when you're trying to sell this book, I think you should talk about how this book inspires an entrepreneur, how this book can actually give a lot of good insights to an entrepreneur highlight. Because what I felt, and start an entrepreneurial journey, but when you start the journey, you come across so many challenges. Nothing is easy. And when you are navigating these challenges, many a times you make these mistakes which are unintended. And when you make a mistake, when the outcome is not going to is not going to aid you in your growth, it's going to become an impediment in your growth. That's when you take a step back, and then sometimes you feel that you have lost the journey, or you have been unsuccessful, whatever it may be, right? But this book deals with the whole story in such a way that the main character Anand you know gets really disturbed with whatever happens in his journey. But when he really goes on and gets into that the final pages of the book, when he decides to probably end his life, or get out of the whole situation. God gives him another chance to survive. This is something which I have probably in the last 2 years I have thought few thousand times, why didn't Siddhartha get another chance? But what has happened is happened. Nobody can bring him back. But I was so elated, when I read this story that Anand comes back to life, and again he's able to go back home and be available for his family and for his people. That is an ultimate way of telling every entrepreneur that, look, no matter what kind of journey you go through, end of the day you have a family for whom you are responsible to be alive. And if you think back, any mistakes you have done, you can correct it and make another start. That is the way I think this book has inspired me, and I'm sure it is going to inspire a lot of new entrepreneurs who are starting so many new startups in our country. I think this book should be promoted to this community of people. So that's what I want to say. Once again, thank you very much for having me here. And it is a great honor for me. And trust me, this is the first time I am talking in a book launch, and I'm very elated, and I'm like super happy about it. Thank you so much.